In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload an HTML website to your GoDaddy CPanel account, step by step, so you can get your site live quickly and correctly. Whether you're uploading a simple single-page website or a full site with multiple files, this guide will help you do it the right way without missing any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials just like this. Before we begin, there are two important things to remember. First, make sure your homepage file is named Index.html, with everything in lowercase. This is the default file your hosting account looks for when loading your website. Second, if your website has more than one file, you should select all of them and compress them into a single zip file before uploading. That makes the process much easier and keeps everything organized. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log in to your GoDaddy CPanel account. Once you're inside your hosting dashboard, look for the File Manager option. In GoDaddy, this may appear under Tools or under Websites, depending on how your account is set up. Click File Manager to open it. This is where you'll manage all the files for your website. Once File Manager opens, you need to go into the public_HTML folder. This is the root folder for your website, and it is the main location where your site files need to be uploaded. If you place your files anywhere else, your website may not display properly, so make sure you're in the correct folder before continuing. Now that you're inside public_HTML, look for the Upload button at the top of the File Manager. Click Upload, then choose your zip file if you compress multiple files, or choose your single HTML file if your site only has one page. If you're uploading a full website, the zip method is usually the best option because it keeps all your files together. After selecting the file, wait for the upload to complete. You want to see the progress reach 100% and the green progress bar confirm that the upload finished successfully. Once the upload is complete, go back to the File Manager. If you uploaded a zip file, the next step is to extract it. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract, then make sure you extract it into the same public_HTML folder. This is very important because all of your website files need to be in the root directory so they can load correctly in your browser. After extracting, check that your Index.html file is in the public_HTML folder and not buried inside an extra subfolder. If it is inside another folder, move the files up one level so your main homepage is directly accessible. Also make sure any images, CSS files, JavaScript files, and other assets are uploaded along with the HTML file, because your website may not look or work correctly without them. Once everything is in place, it's time to test your site. Open a new incognito tab in your browser. Type in your domain name and press Enter. Using incognito helps you view the live version of the site more accurately without cached files affecting the result. If everything was uploaded correctly, your website should load right away. If you don't see your site, double-check that your homepage is named Index.html, confirm that the files are inside public_HTML, and make sure the zip file was fully extracted. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your HTML website to your GoDaddy CPanel account. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.